Genius inventions that will make you yell wow. Amazing inventions you didn't know about. 6. Meet CaraPure, a water dispenser that basically turns air into drinking water. It extracts water from atmospheric moisture, turning it into mineral-rich alkaline drinking water that hydrates and cleanses toxins within the body. The device, which looks like a monolithic silver tower, can dispense up to 10 liters of water each day, while also enriching it with 7 rare natural minerals and bringing it up to a pH of 9.2+. As a byproduct, it also dehumidifies and purifies air, serving multiple purposes at the same time, so you have fresh water to drink and fresh air to breathe every single day. 5. How much would you pay to never iron again? The Effie ironing machine looks like a stylish, space-age wardrobe on wheels. It doesn't require any plumbing, so you can store it wherever you like. Just don't forget to fill up the water tank. With the capacity to iron 12 items at once, Effie could be a real time saver. It can iron any item of clothing that fits into the window of the device, such as shirts, trousers, t-shirts, and short dresses, as well as bedding and towels. You can add your wet clothes to Effie straight out of the washing machine, and each garment will be dried and ironed in just 6 minutes. If your clothes are already dry, ironing takes just 3 minutes per item. This large capacity does mean that Effie is a bulky machine, so not the easiest thing to stash away in a cupboard when you're finished with it. 4. Muviz 3Ms. Ryan Cruz, Eric Cruz, and Kevin Zamora always knew they wanted to invent something. They just didn't know Muviz 3Ms would be what they ended up with. The guys literally sat around in their garage brainstorming ideas for new footwear when they came up with the concept for their slipper and sneaker hybrid shoes. 3Ms are a slipper and sneaker all-in-one. A rigid rubber sole clicks onto the slipper for outdoor wear. When you come back inside, you kick off the sole and relax in comfort. Slippers come in black, gray, red and blue, and soles come in white or black. 3. Scarper, a British startup, has launched e-bike conversion kit streamlines the time-consuming conversion procedure by incorporating everything into a single, compact device with a patent protected for driving your bike's rear wheel. The electric bike conversion kit contained a single-piece drive and battery assembly. The device attaches to your non-drive side chainstay through specially designed tabs. The motor then powers a custom-built rotor, known as the disk drive. The Scarper company states that the disk drive weighs 3.3 kilograms, has a maximum battery range of 60 kilometers per 2.5 hours charge, and delivers a top motor-assisted speed of 25 kilometers per hour in the European version, or 32 kilometers per hour in the North American model. 2. Fendt Super. We've seen bike helmets that fold up for storage and transit, plus ones that are equipped with lights. The Fendt Super, however, is one of the first to combine both features in one helmet. It has a durable ABS shell, an impact-absorbing EPS foam liner, 12 built-in air circulation vents, and meets both American and European safety standards. It also has a 30-lumen headlight and tail light. Both of these can be set to 3 brightness levels and 3 flashing patterns, plus they can be quickly popped out of the helmet when not needed. They're additionally IPX6 waterproof and are claimed to run for up to 20 hours per battery charge. And yes, the Super can fold to half its normal size, making it easier to stuff into a bag. 1. Panasonic Hair Washing Robot. It washes, it massages, and it rinses. Panasonic has developed a hair washing robot that uses 16 electronically controlled fingers to give even the dirtiest hair a makeover. The robot can run automatically from start to finish in about 3 minutes. Its 2 arms scan the head in 3D as they move and measure and remember the head shape to apply just the right amount of pressure to each person when shampooing and washing. This type of robot is being tested in hair salons in Japan, but is being planned to be used in robotic hair salons all around the world.